from you.
Where's your shovel?
Are you having fun?
Yeah, did you step
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Did you step on the jellyfish?
No. We buried it.
It looks like a building. I love it when the water washes up on your feet, like really high on you, because it feels like you're up in the air, like floating.
He is soaking wet. He's soaked.
Soaked?
It's kind of really cold at first, but then you totally get used to it, and it's not cold at all. You're on video.